Have you ever seen someone cooking something very delicious, or he's cutting some red bell pepper so that he can actually prepare some Chinese rice? And whenever the Chinese rice is ready, how do you want to eat your Chinese rice? You want to make sure that you're eating your Chinese rice when it's smoking hot and served hot. Now, to ensure that you get the latest videos straight off the oven, straight off the pan, make sure you subscribe. But subscribing is not enough. If you want to get the hottest food, instead of eating the cold food, you want to click the bell icon as well, because clicking the bell icon ensures that you get a notification pop up on your mobile phone or on your channel. So make sure you click that one. Let's jump straight into the video. Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome back to FTT video update. And people are still withdrawing from FTX. A lot of regulations, speculations are going on with Sam, who is the Sam Friedman Bankman. Okay, so I don't know what exactly is going to happen to that guy, if he's going to get arrested or something, but it seems like he's been just doing some grocery shopping. He was caught on the cameras doing some grocery shopping, by the way, but who cares? I don't give a damn if he's actually shopping chicken or vegetables. Who cares? What I care about is the charts right now, and the charts, what they say is what is my concern, because still again you got three red candles continuation, a pennant right here breaking out of the pennant, and you're looking to come down sooner or later to 0.629. so be very, very careful, and then potentially come down to 0.242. Now I do have some little bit of buying bids down right at this level. I'm looking to buy something out of it. Okay, so buying is really, really important for me personally, because I think I want to take full advantages of the crashes that is coming in the future. No one can say if this coin or FTX is going to do a rug pull and go to zero, even though it's really possible to do that if things get worse for the exchange. But then again, who knows? Who can tell you that you're going to be so sure the rug pull is going to happen? Sometimes you just don't have an option to buy the crash and leave it to your luck. Buy a little bit, finger crossed, and whatever happens. If it goes down, you just want to know that you bought something you can lose, and if it goes back up, you're going to get lucky. Either way, taking risks in this market in certain situation is still important for me. I'm stating the obvious. If you're experienced, you know what I'm talking about. If you're new, please don't get greedy. Don't take it as financial advice. But this is something that I'm telling you that worked for me a couple of times, because even USDC, when it actually popped down, I want to show you USDC just for a second here. People were so afraid about it, but I saw this as an investing opportunity, so I did actually buy a little bit of it, and this is where I made like 10x out of that huge pump to the upside. Okay, and right now it's even consolidating down or pushed down, but I'm still in massive profit because I ended up still buying some of it. So same thing goes on for the following coin, which is FTT. You just never know if it's just going to come down here and stop there. Now, if it goes there, hard luck, bad luck, you lost it, fine, closed. You cannot do anything about it. Right now, TWT, which is the trust wallet token, a lot of people are withdrawing from the exchanges and they're putting their money into the cold exchange, and one of them being TWT, one of them being C98 as well. Now, if you look at C98, if you look at TWT, especially TWT, I cannot say anything about C98, but TWT has a pennant and it's looking to continue to $4.2 or $4.6. Now, so what this means is that, if TWT continues all the way to 4.6 and starts to move to the upside and pump to the upside, then that's where you might see FTT going down, because people are going to withdraw from FTT. They're going to buy TWT. TWT gets the buying power and FTT gets the selling pressure, if it makes any sense. Okay, and they withdraw from here, the prices go down, and TWT starts to move up, because people are going to be storing their things right over there, because everyone is in fear of exchanges at the moment. But when you come down here to this technical target, who knows what's going to happen? Maybe someone comes in and buys FTT, saves the day. Who knows? Anything can happen. Okay, if bad news can happen, good news can happen, and that's just when you hope that good news happen, if they happen. Otherwise, if you come down here, continue making on pennants, then you're going to pop down to even more lows, and we're going to talk about if something like that happens in the future. And that's pretty much it for this FTT update. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.